So this is the White Temple. This is what I'm most excited for. This is the most unique and interesting one. So let's go have a look without further ado and see what the crafty Nana can see. Wat Rong Khun, also known as the White Temple, nestled in the northern Thai city of Chiang Rai, this dazzling marvel will leave you spellbound. Imagine walking into a world where everything glistens under the bright sunlight. The White Temple isn't just any temple, it's an intricate piece of art designed by the brilliant artist whose name I cannot pronounce. I'll put it up on the screen. Every detail, from the shimmering mosaics to the surreal sculptures, tells a story. Did you know that this dazzling temple started being built in 1997 and is still a work in progress? That's right, it's ever evolving, with new pieces being added to ensure it's always fresh and a surprise for visitors. As you stroll through the temple grounds, you'll notice a mixture of traditional Buddhist elements paired with contemporary pop culture references. Keep your eyes peeled. You might just spot characters from The Matrix, Predator, or even Superman. There are some quite bizarre little things hidden away for you to find. But it's not just the visuals that captivate your heart, it's the serenity that wraps around you like a warm embrace. Sitting by a tranquil pond, you will reflect on life's beauty, such as the sun reflects off as the bright white temple. You cannot help but be impressed and reflect on life's beauty. You will feel at peace and inspired. So, if you are ever in northern Thailand, don't miss the chance to visit the White Temple. It's a place that promises not just to be a feast for your eyes, but a balm for your soul.
close. I didn't do all this in my first game. I never.
Bye for now. I'll see you next week. The Crafty Nana.
If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bye for now.